Create a delicate ring of neopixels attached to a Gemma bracelet. Program your ring in Arduino, CircuitPython, or with MakeCode Maker, and then protect your neopixels by encasing them in resin. This guide uses an Adafruit Gemma M0 and Nano RGB LEDs. The Nano RGB LEDs are about a quarter the size of standard neopixels you may be used to seeing. They're tiny and adorable, and once encased in resin, will be both durable and waterproof. Start by setting up your workstation and tinning the backs of your Nano neopixels. Attach leads for power, ground, and data, and then complete the circuit around the ring. Test your circuit with the Arduino, CircuitPython, or MakeCode Maker example code from the guide to ensure everything works. Protect the pixels and your delicate solder joints with your favorite adhesive or resin. Here's a ring made out of a larger mold. This is a smaller ring. While you'll want to keep your Gemma and battery away from the water, I was able to safely get my hands wet while wearing this fun piece since I sealed the ring in resin. For more information, see the NeoPixel Nano Ring Guide on the Adafruit Learning System.